All right, here we have some problems dealing with triangle similarity. And this first one says, determine if RX is parallel to BC. So RX is the segment here in the middle of the triangle, and BC is the side of the bottom of this triangle. And to figure out if there's parallel lines in a triangle, the parts that you see also have to be proportional. So we have to set up a proportion. And to do that, I'm gonna start up here at my point A, where kind of both of these sides with information along them kind of meet, all right? So starting at A, I'm gonna run along both sides and make a proportion. What I mean by that is on this top side here, I'm gonna put 6 over 30. 6 over 30, just running down that side just like you see it. On the other side, I have a 4, but I'm missing this part right here. But I can easily figure that out because if the whole thing is 24, this is 4, that means that there's 20 left to go in that spot right there. Oops, 20, okay? So I'm gonna set this equal, since it's a proportion, a fraction that equals a fraction, as 6 over 30 equals 4 over 20. 4 over 20. And then just simplify both of these fractions down, and if they equal each other, technically we're trying to see if this equal sign is true. If it is true, then those are parallel lines. So 6 divided by 30, those are both divisible by 6. So I can switch that to be 1/5. Dividing each of those by 6. Over here, 4 and 20 are both divisible by 4. And again, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 20 divided by 4 is also 5. Since 1/5 equals 1/5, then that is a true equal sign, and therefore these two lines are parallel. Okay, what about this one over here? This is very similar, but here we're trying to solve for x. It says, what value of x makes AB parallel to xy? So similar again, AB's in the middle, xy is on the right side, and I'm gonna, again, set up a proportion, but since I have an x, I'm gonna have to do some solving. So let me set that up for you real quick. All right, so starting at this W, this is the point where both kind of those sides with the information meet. I'm gonna run along both sides of them, the top and the bottom. Along the top, I have 45 over 3x plus 3. Along the bottom, I have 20 over 12 that you can see there. Fraction that equals a fraction is gonna be my proportion. If I cross multiply, that's how we solve for proportions. If there's a missing variable like x in our case, I can figure this out. So 45 times 12 is 540. Okay, and then 20 times 3 is 60, so this is going to be 60x plus 60, since those are both 3's. And if I solve here, I'm going to subtract 60 on both sides, and that gives me 480 equals 60x. 480 divided by 60 is going to be 8, so therefore 8 is what x is. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful, if you could hit the like button, that really helps me out a lot. That way this video can spread to more people and they can get some help on their math homework too.